Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Over here you can adjust your wallpaper however you wish to, and when you're ready, click at the top right corner. Then bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Set Wallpaper. Over here you need to decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. And now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!